Hi everyone, it's Winsome back with another origami video, and today we'll be making an eagle, which I think I've made quite a few bird origami, so might as well add more to the collection. So yeah, using a square piece of origami paper like usual, I'm going with this funky design for my eagle, because why not? We are first going to be making a bird base for this, and to do so we'll first need to make a square base actually. So flipping onto the color side, we're going to fold it diagonally. Oh gosh, try and get it as even as possible. And then folding it in half both ways. And afterwards what we're going to do is kind of taking one of the square corners, we're going to collapse the whole model down onto itself like so, squash it down. And then to make the bird base, what we're going to do is fold with the flap opening at the bottom, fold either side into the center. And the top down, and then we're simply going to open this up and squash it down following the creases we have just made. Like so, and we're just simply going to repeat this step on the other side. Yep, and this is your bird base. So once we folded our bird base, what we want to do is, hopefully this is not going to go wrong, we're going to want to open this up and then squash it back down actually, so only on one side. And then what we're going to want to do is from the tip fold to the center. Like so, and then we're going to open it back up, and then what you're going to do next is taking the fold what you just did, we're going to fold it in on itself and squash it down, and then yep, repeating again, open it up, push in following the folds and squash it down. Oh gosh, now I'm confused. Where did those folds just go? As usual, I have not creased it as well as I should have. Yep, that's even, I think. And then what we're going to do next is, yes, that is on the right side. Fold it from this side without all green to here, exposing this flap. We're gonna fold this in half, and then after we folded that down, we're going to fold in on itself, so following the creases just made, and then we want to just squash that down, and we're going to flip once and then flip again, exposing how the other side looked before. We're gonna fold this in and then do another squash fold in on itself, down, open and squash. Then simply repeating what we did on this last side, we're gonna fold this to the center and fold that edge to the center and open, so it's like this. Open it back up so your model is looking good, like so. And then once we've got that, simply what we want to do is fold it back on itself. So fold this whole model in half, oh gosh, back onto itself. Yeah, so then looks like this. Nice. Finally we're getting there. And then what we're going to do is, with the model facing this way round, we want to fold this down onto itself. So flipping it this way, following how I've been doing it. Want to roughly up to the point here, fold it in and down to make the head of the eagle. And then we want to do another fold here right at the tip of the beak. We want to just do a fold like so, down and then squash it. Yep, like so, tucking that all in as neat as possible. Yep, and then for the face here, what we're going to do actually is try and open this out. So the fold like that, open it out a bit to expose this. And simply what we're going to do is the white part here, I'm going to fold in and around to get the little tail going on. And there's like, if you hold the model like this, it's actually two separate flaps to make the feet for the eagle. So we're just gonna simply push it in on itself and create it as flat as possible. I don't think this is actually going to properly stand, especially with such tiny feet. I've just folded for the eagle. Yeah, that's not gonna properly stand. Let's see if I can fold it up into itself more. It's like almost standing. It's like a bit lopsided by eagle. But yeah, here is your awesome eagle that you've just folded. Yep, so that was actually a lot of complex folds than I thought, but I hope it was very fun and something for you to do, to practice doing all different types of fold, both valley, mountain, and the different bases. So as usual, thanks for watching. Write a comment down below what you thought of this video. Like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other stuff I'll be posting. And yeah, thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!